My name is Ashley Duncan. I'm from Ferndale, Michigan, and I've been the ice cream chef at Browndog Creamery for a little over a year. I went to school originally at Wayne State for nutrition, then went on to Schoolcraft College, did their 2-year program, was a pastry sous chef for 2 years, and I've been a chef in a number of places, Wyoming, I worked on a farm in New York, and I came back home and found Browndog Creamery and really loved their ice cream, and I've been on board ever since. I make all the ice cream at Browndog. I also work on the pastries, including cakes, cupcakes, macaroons, over at our Northville location. Really enjoy making ice cream because it really is a creative outlet where I can experiment with different flavors, and here at Browndog they're really open to new, exciting ideas. Every month we come out with at least 3 new seasonal flavors, and these are rotating all throughout the year. So sometimes you won't see another flavor for the same flavor again for another year or so. Our most popular flavor is definitely Salty Dog. It's a salted caramel ice cream. It has brownies that we make at Northville, pecans, and salted caramel swirled in. If I were to guess, I think we probably have about 20 to 25 flavors right now. So we not only do regular ice cream, but we also have some alcoholic flavors, ice cream 21 and up only. We've got a bourbon pecan. We do Beam Me Up Scotchy. It's a Scotch ice cream with butterscotch and cocoa nibs mixed in. We have a margarita yogurt. So we do carry at least one yogurt on hand at all times. And then we also do some vegan flavors. So today we're going to be making our Lemon Lavender Honey ice cream. At first we're going to make our lemon curd. First we're going to get a double boiler ready with about 1 inch of water, bringing that to a low simmer. We are going to crack 4 whole eggs, 16 egg yolks, 2 cups of sugar, 1.25 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 4 lemons zested, and we're gonna whisk that over a double boiler until it reaches about 180 and it's thickened. And then we're going to whisk in 4 tablespoons of cold diced butter and chill that in the refrigerator overnight. For our base, we use 12 quarts of our ice cream base with a cup of lavender, dried lavender flowers. I steep that for about 48 hours at least, up to 3 days. I'm going to strain off the lavender flowers. I'm going to measure out 3 ounces of lavender water, 1 cup of honey, and 3 quarts of our lemon curd. We're going to blend all that together with an immersion blender. I can also use a blender at home if you're doing a smaller amount. And then we're going to pour that into our ice cream machine and freeze. We churn all of our ice cream at 209 revolutions per minute and let that churn for about 8 minutes, and then put that into our glass freezer overnight until it's completely frozen. I think what makes Browndog unique is our innovative flavors that are always changing. We are one of the only ice cream bars I know in the area that includes alcohol. We do high octane sundaes where we get a scoop of ice cream with alcohol poured over. And our bartenders are really great. Any drink or cocktail that you're looking for, they can make you anything really. We also have a location in downtown Northville. We have a pastry cabinet there that you can get freshly made cupcakes, cookies, macaroons, regular cakes. We also have ice cream cakes. You can find those at both locations. Northville does have a more extensive selection of ice cream cakes, and you can also grab pints at either location. We're open Tuesday and Wednesday, 4 to 10 p.m., Thursday, 4 to 11 p.m., Friday, 4 to 12 a.m., Saturday is 1 p.m. to 12 a.m., and Sunday is 1 p.m. to 9 p.m.